We're taking a look at a radon system at a customer's home today. He called us out. He's got this radon fan that runs 24/7, and it is making a ton of noise. And then on his YouTube manometer, there's no offsetting liquid level. So he was confused. Is the fan running? Is it working? And we're out evaluating it. So you can see right here, there is a Radon Away GP501 fan. It's a high suction fan. This comes in, hits some 3-inch Schedule 40 pipe, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like on the inside. I'm gonna show you what's going on and why it's not working. Here's our system. The vent pipe comes up. We span across here. We've got another suction point, and then it comes here, and we can see right here, here's trap number 1. So you can see that goes up, comes down, and then when we come through here, kind of hard to tell, but look, it starts to go back uphill, goes back uphill even further to right here. So that whole section right over here is trapped. Then we come over here. Here's where our YouTube manometer is at, and you see the fan was on outside, but we're registering 0, and let's trace the pipe. So we come this way. There's the pipe through here. Comes down right across, and look, it steps back up before going outside. So again, this whole section right here is also trapped. So this is full of water. It's blocking the airflow and the suction across this pipe, registering the 0 at the manometer. So we're gonna drain this pipe, then we're gonna cap it, and we're gonna see what the airflow is inside. Here's trap number 2. So, got a hole in this pipe right here. We drain the water out. We'll have to figure out how to repair that and plug it up, but full of water. So if we go back over here to our vent pipe, that's what I would expect to see with the GP501 from Radon Away. So, yeah, the reason we didn't have any suction here is because the manometer, there's a trap between the manometer and the radon fan. So there was a pressure, kind of a blockage in between the manometer and the radon fan, which is what was causing the 0, even though the high suction fan was running outside.